In my head gasket tools video, I promised to show you how to remove the rear main seal without special tools. So let's get into it. Let's talk about how to get the rear main seal out. I've got a mock-up here. I don't have it on the car. So basically what you want to do, okay, if you don't have a specialized tool for this, is you want to center this, okay, a drill bit. You put it here, and you want to drill a tiny hole right in the middle here, okay? And make sure when you drill through it, you don't slip and you don't accidentally scratch up the aluminum there, because you'll cause a leak, and no rear main seal will fix that. So drill it right in the center here. Make sure you take your time when you drill and use a small drill bit. This is a 1/8. I'm just using this drill bit as a 1/8, but I'm just using this as an example, okay? Ideally, you want to use something even smaller than a 1/8 drill bit. You want to go slowly and make sure as you're drilling, this is where your drilling technique has to be pretty good. Don't let it slip. Don't let it move from the position that you want it to go, okay? Drilling through this is, you got to have a sharp drill bit. These are either steel or stainless steel. So these seals are not rubber, okay? That's what you have to know. They have a stainless steel face on them, and you have to drill them precisely, and you got to use constant force there. Once that goes through, you need a construction a deck screw, a standard deck screw or something like that, and you want to put it through the hole that you drill, the lowest tiny hole that you drill. So you put it through here, okay? So I already had a hole here, so I'm just going to show you threading it in by hand, okay? And this is one of the failed holes. You might have to fail a couple of times before you get this one right. So what you're going to do from there, you take one of your vice grips, okay, like this, and you're going to bite onto it. Well, this one's not, so just use this one. Pick this one. You put it right on the head, and you make sure you clamp it down real tight here on the head of the screw, okay? In. Still not small enough, okay. Clamp it on right like this, okay? That's a little too tight. Okay, now that it's gripped on, you can see it's gripped on like this. You then are gonna take the other vice grip and attach it to the back of this handle like this, horizontally, okay? And you're gonna tighten it down, okay? Make sure it's pretty tight, there, okay? And then you will take a hammer like this. This is a 3-pound sledge, right? And I hope you can see on the camera. You're just gonna tap it backwards, okay? So let me move the camera like this, pull it out like so you can see. Let me zoom out a bit, this it up. So it's like this. Basically, you're pulling on it like this, and you're gonna take the hammer and give it a few whacks this way. Now, the first time you do it, it might yank the nail right out and not do anything to the seal. That's why you need a secondary screw, okay? So you need one that's slightly larger, and I'll show you that. So let's get this one out. You need a metal screw, something like this, okay? Now this is a bit beefier than the original screw. So once that hole rips out, which it most likely will, you need something like a metal screw, which is a little larger, okay? And you're gonna thread it through the hole that it just ripped out, like this. And let me tell you, that metal screw grips real good. Use it as a second try, because if you don't get it out then, I mean, where are you gonna go up from there? You can't get any bigger, larger screw in that spot anyways. So if it doesn't work now, you just got to go multiple tries all the way around. But the important thing is not to try to pry on it. Use an impacting force on it, right? That's why I said use your little hammer or a 3-pound sledge or something like that to basically knock it out, okay? Because you need an impacting force. A gentle prying force doesn't work on these. it just needs one pop to come out. Okay.
That's it for now.
So-
See you in the next one, neighbors.